In today's video, I'll be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen ID.4 Life Pure, showing you all of its top features, including charge time and battery range. Starting with the exterior then, and this ID.4 looks absolutely amazing. This all-electric SUV has been designed to make electric mobility look more attractive, and it does just that. This particular model is finished in glacier white, which really pops in the sunlight, highlighting all of the key design features. Up front, you've got the ID light system with daytime running lights, which look absolutely amazing, in conjunction with this lower honeycomb tessellation front grille, which looks amazing, and it echoes all throughout the car, especially in the rear light design, but more on that later. You've also got side intakes here, applying better cooling to the brakes, and this vehicle sits upon 18-inch wheels with the glorious gloss black 6-spoke effect, which I personally think complements this vehicle really well. There's subtle pure badging on the side wing, and this car benefits from body-coloured powerful door mirrors, which also match the body-coloured front bumpers, looking really nice. There's flush integrated door handles too for better aerodynamics, and the ID.4 benefits from black roof rails, which is brilliant if you're going on a long weekend away and you want to take some bikes with you or increase storage via a roof box. Now then, let's touch upon the battery and the charging time. So next to me is the base model ID.4 with a 52 kilowatt electric motor, meaning that you'll get around 220 miles worth of range. If you find a rapid charger, it'll charge at 110 kilowatts, meaning the charge time between 5% to 80 will take around 36 minutes. There are other versions available with a 77 kilowatt motor, bringing that charge time down to 29 minutes. The driver and passenger can benefit from the many interior features of the ID.4. It's quite exceptional in here. Straight away, the driver can benefit from the 5.3-inch digital dashboard, which displays all relevant information such as battery level and driver assist systems. The passenger can use the central coloured touchscreen display too, which has a wide range of applications installed, such as media systems, navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, along with different charging information. The centre console is nicely laid out. There's plenty of different storage devices and charging ports available for you to charge any device on the go. And you've got a lovely, streamlined, multifunctional steering wheel, having lots of different functions such as cruise control and even voice activation, meaning you can speak to the car and it will activate upon command. The rear interior echoes that of the front. It is absolutely magnificent. There's enough comfort and support for the rear passengers with the two-way seats with embroidery running all throughout it. The seats also benefit from integrated ISOFIX points too, so it's perfect for child seat fixings. Rear passengers, of course, can benefit from the rear armrest with enough space for 2 cup holders, and there's also a rear air vent with enough charging ports so you can charge your phone on the go. Talking of phones, there's a nice little storage pocket just on the back of the front seats where you can store your phone or personal belongings. There's electric windows and plenty of space. I'm 6 foot for reference, and I've got enough legroom and headroom to just happily spend a couple of hours in here. The Volkswagen ID.4 needs to be practical because it is an electric SUV after all, but it is. It has a really spacious interior and an even larger boot. There's 543 litres here to be precise, which is plenty big enough to take for a long weekend away, a week even. You can easily store a plethora of items there, and you've got an electric tailgate too, revealing that fantastic rear exterior design. As mentioned, you've got all the tessellation within the rear light cluster and a streamlined rear which really does stand out on the road and matches that of the other ID models too. So for any further information, please head to our website. I hope this has given you a better insight into the ID.4 itself. There's plenty more vehicles to choose from, so do check those out. But until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.